Have you ever wondered how the genius of human invention has propelled us from horse-drawn carriages to high-speed electric vehicles in just over a century? Welcome to the fascinating world of the automobile industry, a tale of innovation, evolution, and revolution. In the late 19th century, the stage was set for a transportation revolution. The primary stages of the automobile industry were marked by the advent of the internal combustion engine, a technological marvel that powered the first horseless carriages. These early automobiles, while revolutionary, were noisy, unreliable, and expensive, yet they signaled the dawn of a new era in transportation. As the 20th century dawned, the automobile industry entered a period of rapid development. The mass production techniques introduced by pioneers like Henry Ford made automobiles affordable for the average family. The Model T, introduced in 1908, became the symbol of this era, bringing mobility to the masses. The industry was no longer about crafting luxurious toys for the wealthy. It had become a conduit for social and economic change. The mid-20th century saw a boom in the automobile industry, with new designs, technologies, and brands emerging. Cars became more than just a means of transport. They were a status symbol, a reflection of one's personality. The industry also began to grapple with environmental concerns, leading to the development of cleaner, more fuel-efficient engines. Fast forward to the turn of the 21st century, and the automobile industry stands at the threshold of another revolution. The advent of electric vehicles, autonomous driving technologies, and smart connectivity solutions are redefining what a car can be. Companies are no longer just car manufacturers, they are mobility service providers, committed to making travel safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. And here we are today, in 2024, witnessing the dawn of a new era in the automobile industry. The focus has shifted towards electric vehicles, shared mobility, and autonomous driving technologies. Cars are becoming less about horsepower and more about processing power, with AI and machine learning playing an increasingly important role. To recap, we've journeyed through the primary stages of the automobile industry, from the advent of the internal combustion engine to the mass production techniques that made cars affordable for the masses. We've explored the mid-20th century boom in the automobile industry with new designs and technologies emerging. We've looked at the turn of the 21st century, where electric vehicles and smart connectivity solutions are redefining the industry. And finally, we've arrived in the present day, where the focus is on electric vehicles, shared mobility, and autonomous driving technologies. The automobile industry, a tale of innovation, evolution, and revolution, continues to shape our world, transforming how we live, work, and play. And who knows what the future holds? After all, the only constant in the automobile industry is change. Stay tuned, keep your seatbelts fastened, and enjoy the ride.